Hola y buenas tardes. So today we're going to be looking at this essential question to being able to talk about our classes and who teaches those classes. So we've already kind of looked at the vocabulary, talking about different classes that we may encounter in our school day or that our friends may encounter in their school day. But now I want to move on into more application and being able to talk about who it is that teaches those classes. So the question that's really important here is quién enseña. Quién means who, and enseña means teaches. I know that enseña kind of sounds like the word insane in English, which some people might say that you kind of have to be insane to teach. But just know that enseña means teaches, not insane, but teaches. And so, very quickly, let's go ahead and look at our first question here. So this question, ¿quién enseña la clase de arte? Would mean who teaches the class of art? And there are three different ways that we can go about answering this type of question, and it really depends on who it is that teaches our class. So let's start out with the first way that we might answer this type of question. If our teacher is a male teacher, we would say, El señor Picasso enseña la clase de arte. Mr. Picasso teaches the class of art. But let's pretend that Mr. Picasso's wife is the one that actually teaches the class. We're going to have to change up the title, and so we're going to say, La señora Picasso enseña la clase de arte. And the third way that we might answer this question is if we had a teacher that was unmarried, and she taught the class, and so, for example, La señorita Picasso enseña la clase de arte, or Miss Picasso teaches the class of art. And those are the three basic ways to go about answering the question, ¿Quién enseña? I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I hope that it's helpful for going about asking and answering the questions of who teaches the class. And as always, if you have questions, you can always email me.